Okay, I'm going to make this answer key review packet so you can watch it before your final. I'm going to do it in parts just in case the camera freezes. So I'm going to do this part and then I'll stop. For number 1, you're going to add 12 to both sides, so x equals 29. Number 2, minus 3 from both sides, so 5x equals 14. X equals 14 fifths. If you write this as a decimal, that's okay too. It should be 2.8, but we like fractions. Here, you're going to combine like terms first, then add 10, and then divide by 10. X equals 16. Here, we move the smaller x first, and then subtract 2, and divide by 3. Down here, I'm going to subtract 32 from both sides, so negative 15x equals negative 30. And x equals positive 2. Here, distribute the 4, so multiply the 4, add 12, divide by 4. Okay, we'll keep going a little bit longer. Remember, graphing lines is a huge skill to have in Algebra 1. So you need your lines to be in y equals mx plus b form. This one is. Your b is negative 3, your m is up 1 over 4. Now I only have room to do that once, so I'm going to go down 1 into the left 4 so that I can have 3 points to connect. Use a ruler, even though I'm not, and draw your line. Here I start at negative 2, I go down 2 over 3. Again, I don't have, I do have room to do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do it just for good measure. Up and to the left. There's your line. Remember, when x equals a number, it's a vertical line because the slope is undefined. Vertical line where x is 3. Y equals negative 2 is a horizontal line where y is negative 2. And now down here we have to start solving for y because we're not in y equals mx plus b. So your first step is to minus x from both sides, which gives you 2y equals negative x plus 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3. Start at 3, go down 1 over 2, and draw your line. Over here, we're going to minus 3x from both sides, so negative 2y equals negative 3x plus 6. Divide by negative 2. Y equals, now you have a negative divided by a negative, which is a positive, and a positive divided by a negative, which is a negative. So you go down to negative 3, up 3 over 2, and connect the dots. Okay, I'm going to stop here and make sure it works.